Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a GitHub account and an active Copilot license, and a supported IDE. Open Visual Studio Code or your JetBrains IDE and install the official GitHub Copilot extension. This gives you the integration hooks. Once done, sign in using your GitHub credentials inside the IDE so the extension can verify subscription and permissions. Make sure to allow the OAuth prompts. This step links Copilot to your account, which is why it must be completed before you request suggestions. After sign-in, you authorize Copilot to access your account. This enables authentication tokens and usage tracking. Next, configure extension settings. Enable inline suggestions if you want live completions, adjust telemetry to your privacy comfort, and select the languages you use most so models prioritize relevant patterns. Then customize key bindings for accepting or cycling suggestions, and add workspace exclusions to prevent suggestions in generated or vendor folders. These steps refine performance and reduce noise, which is why tuning settings early. To finish, open a real code file and type a descriptive comment or function signature to evoke a Copilot suggestion. You should see inline completions appear. Verify the status bar shows Copilot as connected and that suggestions can be accepted with your configured key. If suggestions fail, try a quick reload of the IDE, re-authenticate to refresh tokens, and clear the extension cache. Also confirm your subscription is active. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the extension only after reloading and re-authenticating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.